Today I'm going to make a lasagna. We have some roasted broccoli that I just cut up, roasted in the oven 400 degrees for about 10 minutes with a little bit of olive oil. We have 1 pound of ground turkey already cooked. I put some onion powder and garlic powder in there. This is 2 jars of spaghetti sauce. Got 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 2 cups of mozzarella, and half a cup of grated Parmesan. To start out, I'm just going to put all the cheese in here and mix it up. All right, lasagna is all about layering. That's it. It's just getting your layers down pat. We're going to start on the bottom with a cup of sauce. I am using the uncooked noodles, so it takes a lot of sauce. But honestly, I hate boiling pasta, and then this is just so much easier. All right, 3 noodles, 1, 2, 3. They expand, so you give them a little bit of space. All right, then we put another cup of sauce on top. And 1/3 of everything else. We're gonna do 1/3 of the cheese. 1/3 of the meat. The stuff that falls on the floor stays on the floor. And then 1/3 of the broccoli. Okay, and then we start at the beginning. And then the last round of noodles. A 1, a 2, and a 3. There we go. Squish it all in. Let's get all of the sauce on top. Excellent. Spread it around. Looking good. Make sure you get all the sauce over. I'm going to get sauce on every little bit of the noodle. That's how the noodles cook. From the sauce. They need liquid from somewhere. All right, we have more mozzarella off to the side, so we're going to sprinkle more mozzarella on top. About another cup. Or more if you want more. I mean, it's your lasagna. Do what makes you happy. When it's all said and done, I've used almost 4 cups. My bag's almost empty. Because cheese makes me happy. All right. And then a little bit more of Parmesan right on top. So I'm going to put this in the fridge because we're not ready to eat dinner yet. But from here, I will show you in a little bit. It goes into an oven. I do not know the temperature, so I will tell you that later. Right now, the lasagna is ready for the fridge. I'm going to put a piece of foil over the top, but I'm going to spray the foil with some Pam first so that all this cheesy goodness doesn't stick. See you in a bit. All right, so the lasagna has been in the oven for a few hours because I prepped it earlier in the day. Now it's time to cook. In a normal spot, when you just come and you finish with your lasagna and you cover it with foil, you put it in a 375-degree oven for 25 minutes. Then you take the foil off. Let it get nice and crispy on top for 5 minutes, and then you let it sit for about 15 so that when you dig in, it doesn't just ooze everywhere. This has been in the fridge. So I'm going to put it in a cold oven. I'm going to heat the oven to 375, and I'm going to cook it for about 60 minutes, just so that everything gets all nice and warm. And then I'm going to take the foil off for the last 5 minutes. Similar to the other, then let it sit, yada, 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 yada. All right, in the oven it goes. So we are at the spot where the foil comes off. So let's see, hopefully it comes off without sticking too much. Ooh, it's looking good. Not a lot of sticking. All right, and now we keep it in here. We've got nice bubbling going on. We put it in for another 5 minutes so it gets nice and brown on top.